Hello, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. But I think this week I might have to call it Just the Quote. I heard a quote actually when I was riding the Peloton last weekend that really hit home for me, and I think it helps for all of our clients. The quote was this: asking for help makes you powerful. It does not make you weak. And here's why I love this. When you need help with organizing, when you are feeling overburdened by the clutter, you don't know where to start, you can hire help. You can hire us. We love doing that stuff. And it's nothing to make you feel bad or weak that you couldn't do it. It allows you to do things in your superpower realm, to make more of you and time for the things that you want to do. So this week's Just the Tip is this: do not be afraid to ask for help. It does not make you weak. It allows you to be the superhuman that you are. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.